In the metals quadrant today, taking a look at the May copper futures contract, copper has really stalled. It's kind of the forgotten asset in this cross asset rally that we see going on, with yields a little bit lower today. All four equity benchmarks higher. You've got gold higher, you've got silver higher, you've got crude oil higher. Copper's kind of been left behind, down 2.37% in the month of March, only the second down month in the last 12. And today, we do have copper a little bit higher, and really the only positive story I can give you is that it came up off the mat as it traded throughout the day. The downside today, 3.9435, that was the May low, down 1.17%, and then on the high side got above $4, 4.0045. That was only up about 35 basis points. So again, a slight up move for copper. Got off the mat pretty hard, but really seems left behind when you look at what all the other assets did in that sort of growth narrative. Now, the infrastructure plan was a big part of why a lot of the other stocks were rallying. President Biden's infrastructure plan, $2.25 trillion in its present form, didn't really impress the copper markets at all. And again, that was surprising considering how much of it would theoretically be roads and bridges and other projects that call for actual physical building of things. But again, this is just the first sort of parry in the back and forth between the two parties and what plan would actually get through, what the plan would actually look like before it got voted on in a manner that could win, that could get passage even in a partisan way, not just in the form that it's taken now. And that might be why copper stalled a little bit. And really the dollar was lower. The dollar had its worst day since March 17th. Euro was up 40 basis points, so just under 0.5%. British pound up 35 basis points, so a little bit less than the euro, but still up over 0.25%. And the yen, even the yen, up 12 basis points today. Even that doesn't seem to drive copper off the mat. That's the first update for the yen in the last 7 sessions. So dollar was weaker. Normally that inverse relationship would help copper. Didn't work out today. Remember, tomorrow, holiday shortened session, so the liquidity could be part of the reason why, the reduced liquidity could be part of the reason why copper suffered today overall versus other assets.